content marketing strategy for Instagram. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, the number one place for 9-to-5 employees and rookie online business owners. If you're keen to know the 5 content marketing strategy for Instagram, then keep on watching. First, switch to a business profile as soon as possible. Before you start thinking about your Instagram marketing plan, be sure that you have an Instagram business account. It's easy to switch your current profile to a business account. All you need to do is just to head over to your settings and click account and then click on switch to business profile and get started. There are some clear benefits to having a business profile. For example, followers can click on your contact button to get in touch with you right from your Instagram page, just like they would from a website. A business profile allows you to create and publish Instagram ads without needing to use Facebook advertising tools. You can also access Instagram analytic tools called Insight that provide stats about the impression and reach of your posts. Once you have unlocked the free perks that come along with a business profile, you need to start using them to track metrics and understand your audience. Second, use free Instagram tools. Business profile on Instagram aren't all that different from a Facebook business profile. Through Insight, you can view statistics like impression, engagement data, and even more. You can even break down all the demographics of your followers, including information of their age, gender, location, and many more. Insights aren't just generalized either. You can get specific insights on posts for that week that shows you how many impressions you earned for that time period and what your top posts were. These free tools are priceless because you can use them to understand exactly how users are interacting with your content. The more that you know about how your users are interacting with your posts, the better you can adjust your content to boost engagement. One category of posts that is almost always attention grabbing is product teaser. Third, write great caption. Instagram is a visual medium, but that doesn't mean that you can neglect your caption. Your brand voice is just as important as your brand look. Like your visual, it should be as consistent across posts. Instagram captions can be up to 2,200 characters long, so you can use them for everything from a quick quip to detailed storytelling. That said, only the first 2 lines of text appeared in newsfeeds without tapping more. Since people tend to scan captions rather than reading them thoroughly, you want to get all important information into the first 2 lines. In my post, the best captions length for every social network, I recommend the following Instagram caption lengths. For organic posts, 138 to 150 characters. For Instagram ads, 135 characters. If you've got more to say, go ahead and say it, but make sure that the text is extra worth it. Your caption should be relevant, entertaining, and informative, compelling, and on brand. Fourth, use Instagram stories. If you want to generate leads, Instagram stories are here to help. Instagram stories differ from regular Instagram posts because they come in a slideshow format. They are only live for 24 hours, but stories can be saved to any of your devices and reused at the point later. This feature is very similar to Snapchat stories. Rather than appearing in the newsfeed, Instagram stories appear in a small area above it. Once a user clicks on your photo at the top, a window will pop out where they can view your story. You can also tag other accounts in stories, which is great if you are collaborating with other brands or influencers. Every photo and video you add will play in the same sequence that you added it. The amount of posts that you can add to stories at any given time is unlimited, and the feature is available to all businesses globally. Stories are only available on mobile Instagram apps, and it's not currently possible to send Instagram stories as direct messages. But since most Instagram users access the site via their smartphone rather than the website, this isn't really something to worry about. If you haven't partnered with influencers who are already making a killing on Instagram, find a few. Lastly, post at the right time and don't overpost. Overposting on Instagram is a surefire way to turn off your existing followers. If all they see is your brand on their newsfeed, they are probably going to unfollow you as fast as possible. But you want to post on a consistent basis so that you stay in their newsfeed regularly. One of the best ways to do this is to only post during peak days and hours when your followers are online. According to Simply Measured, the worst days to post on Instagrams are Wednesday and Sunday, while Mondays and Thursday are the best days to post. And according to research from CoSchedule, the best time of the days to post are between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. as well as 2 a.m. The hours between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. correlates with the time of the day when people are getting ready to work or commuting to their jobs. And 2 a.m. is the time of day when most folks are up scrolling through Instagram when they should be sleeping. So this makes sense as the second most popular time to post. When you can find your followers are most active in Instagram Insight. So your best days and time to post might be a bit different depending on your specific audience. Schedule your posts to go live during these days and times with tools like CoSchedule, Later, and Recompose. Is something that I use. The research also shows that you should post between 1 and 2 times per day, but no more or less. If you are tempted to post more, then use Instagram Carousel album feature to post multiple images in a slideshow format. That way you won't overwhelm your followers' feeds. After you have made these changes, track your metrics to keep an eye on areas where you can improve. Let me know in the comment if these tips are helpful for you. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching it all the way. I'll see you in the next video.